Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of marketing. Have you ever wondered what marketing really means and why it's such a big deal for businesses and organizations? Marketing is all around us, from the ads we see online to the brands we recognize in stores. In this video, we'll break down what marketing is, explore its core functions, and explain why it's essential for success in today's fast-paced world. Let's start by understanding the basics and setting the stage for a deeper look into this fascinating field. At its core, marketing is the process of creating, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society at large. It's not just about selling products or services. It's about understanding what people want and need, and then finding ways to meet those needs better than anyone else. Marketing involves research, strategy, creativity, and communication. It's a blend of art and science, requiring both analytical thinking and innovative ideas to connect with audiences and build lasting relationships. Marketing has evolved dramatically over the years. In the past, it was mainly about advertising and sales. Today, it's a much broader discipline that includes digital marketing, social media, content creation, and data analysis. The rise of technology has transformed how businesses reach and engage with their audiences. Now, companies can target specific groups, personalize messages, and measure results in real time. This evolution has made marketing more dynamic and essential than ever before. Marketing isn't just one activity, it's a collection of functions that work together to achieve business goals. These core functions include market research, product development, pricing, promotion, distribution, and customer service. Each function plays a vital role in ensuring that a product or service reaches the right people at the right time with the right message. By coordinating these activities, marketing helps businesses build brand awareness, attracts new customers, and retain loyal ones. Market research is the foundation of effective marketing. It involves gathering and analyzing information about consumers, competitors, and the overall market environment. This research helps businesses understand what customers want, how much they're willing to pay, and what competitors are offering. By using surveys, focus groups, and data analysis, marketers can make informed decisions that increase the chances of success. Market research reduces risk and uncovers opportunities for growth. Once market research is complete, businesses use the insights to develop products or services that meet customer needs. Product development is about creating solutions that solve problems or add value. This process involves brainstorming ideas, designing prototypes, testing, and refining until the final product is ready for launch. Successful product development relies on continuous feedback from customers and a willingness to adapt to changing preferences. Pricing is a crucial part of marketing. It's not just about covering costs or making a profit, it's about finding the right price that reflects the value of the product and appeals to customers. Marketers use various pricing strategies, such as competitive pricing, value-based pricing, and discounting, to attract different segments of the market. The right pricing strategy can make a product more attractive and boost sales. Promotion is how businesses communicate the value of their products or services to potential customers. This includes advertising, public relations, social media, and sales promotions. Effective promotion grabs attention, builds interest, and persuades people to take action. Marketers craft messages that resonate with their target audience and choose the right channels to reach them. The goal is to create a positive image and drive demand. Distribution is about getting products or services to customers in the most efficient way possible. This can involve physical stores, online platforms, wholesalers, or direct delivery. Marketers must choose the right distribution channels to ensure products are available where and when customers want them. Effective distribution increases convenience and satisfaction, which can lead to repeat business and positive word of mouth. Customer service is a key part of marketing that often gets overlooked. It's about supporting customers before, during, and after a purchase. Excellent customer service builds trust, encourages repeat business, and turns customers into brand advocates. Marketers work closely with customer service teams to ensure that every interaction reflects the brand's values and meets customer expectations. The marketing mix, often called the 4 Ps, product, price, place, and promotion, is a framework that helps businesses plan and execute their marketing strategies. Each P represents a key area that marketers must consider to meet customer needs and achieve business objectives. By balancing these elements, companies can create a compelling offer that stands out in the marketplace. The first P is product. This refers to what a business offers to satisfy customer needs. It can be a physical item, a service, or even an experience. Marketers focus on designing products that solve problems, deliver value, and stand out from competitors. A successful product is one that customers want, need, and are willing to pay for. Price is more than just a number. It's a reflection of the value customers perceive in a product or service. Marketers must balance affordability with profitability, considering factors like costs, competition, and customer expectations. The right price can position a product as a premium offering or a budget-friendly choice, influencing how customers see the brand. Place refers to how and where customers can access a product or service. It's about making it easy for people to find and buy what they need. Marketers choose distribution channels that align with customer preferences, whether that's in-store, online, or through direct delivery. Accessibility can be a major factor in a customer's decision to purchase. Promotion is all about communicating with potential customers and persuading them to take action. This includes advertising, public relations, events, and digital campaigns. Marketers craft messages that highlight the benefits of their products and use creative tactics to capture attention. Effective promotion builds awareness and drives sales. Marketing is vital for any organization, big or small. It helps businesses understand their customers, differentiate from competitors, and create value. Without marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. Marketing drives growth, builds brand loyalty, and ensures long-term success. It's the engine that powers business development and innovation. One of marketing's key roles is building brand awareness. This means making sure people recognize and remember your brand. Through consistent messaging, visual identity, and memorable campaigns, marketers help brands stand out in a crowded marketplace. Strong brand awareness leads to trust, preference, and ultimately, more sales. Marketing is essential for attracting new customers. By identifying target audiences and tailoring messages to their needs, marketers can reach people who are most likely to be interested in a product or service. Effective marketing campaigns generate leads, drive traffic, and convert prospects into loyal customers. It's not just about finding new customers. Marketing also plays a big role in keeping existing ones. Loyalty programs, personalized communication, and excellent service help build long-term relationships. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the brand to others, creating a cycle of ongoing growth. In a competitive marketplace, standing out is crucial. Marketing helps businesses differentiate themselves by highlighting unique features, benefits, and values. Through branding, storytelling, and creative campaigns, marketers position products in a way that makes them memorable and appealing to the right audience. Marketing is a powerful driver of business growth. By reaching new markets, launching innovative products, and responding to changing trends, marketers help businesses expand and thrive. Growth doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of strategic planning and effective marketing execution. The business world is always changing, and marketing helps companies adapt. Whether it's new technology, shifting consumer preferences, or economic challenges, marketers use research and creativity to stay ahead. Flexibility and innovation are key to surviving and thriving in a dynamic environment. Digital marketing has revolutionized the way businesses connect with customers. Through websites, social media, email, and online ads, companies can reach a global audience instantly. Digital tools allow for precise targeting, real-time feedback, and measurable results, making marketing more effective and efficient than ever before. Social media platforms have become essential marketing tools. They allow brands to engage directly with customers, share content, and build communities. Social media marketing is about creating conversations, listening to feedback, and responding quickly. It's a powerful way to humanize brands and foster loyalty. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable, relevant content to attract and engage a target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, infographics, and more. The goal is to provide information or entertainment that builds trust and encourages people to take action, such as making a purchase or sharing with others. Modern marketing relies heavily on data. By analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and trends, marketers can make smarter decisions and optimize their strategies. Data-driven marketing leads to better targeting, higher ROI, and more effective campaigns. It's all about using information to deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. Personalization is a growing trend in marketing. By tailoring messages and offers to individual preferences, businesses can create more meaningful connections with customers. Personalization increases engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty. It's made possible by technology and data, allowing marketers to deliver unique experiences at scale. Understanding the customer journey is essential for effective marketing. This involves mapping out every touchpoint a customer has with a brand, from awareness to purchase and beyond. By analyzing the journey, marketers can identify pain points, improve experiences, and guide customers smoothly through the buying process. How do you know if your marketing is working? Marketers use key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure success. These can include sales, website traffic, social media engagement, and customer satisfaction. By tracking results, businesses can see what's working, make improvements, and maximize their return on investment. Ethical marketing is about doing the right thing. It means being honest, transparent, and respectful in all marketing activities. Ethical marketers avoid misleading claims, respect privacy, and consider the impact of their actions on society. Building trust through ethical behavior is essential for long-term success. Marketing isn't just about profits, it's also about making a positive impact. Socially responsible marketing considers the well-being of customers, communities, and the environment. Companies that give back, support causes, and act sustainably build stronger reputations and deeper customer loyalty. In today's interconnected world, marketing often crosses borders. Global marketing involves adapting strategies to different cultures, languages, and regulations. It's about understanding local preferences while maintaining a consistent brand identity. Successful global marketers balance standardization with customization to reach diverse audiences. Marketing strategies can differ depending on the audience. Business to business, B2B, marketing focuses on selling products or services to other businesses, while business to consumer, B2C, marketing targets individual customers. B2B marketing often involves longer sales cycles and relationship building, while B2C is more about quick decisions and emotional appeal. Influencer marketing leverages individuals with large followings to promote products or services. These influencers can sway opinions and drive purchasing decisions. Marketers collaborate with influencers to reach new audiences, build credibility, and create authentic content that resonates with their followers. Event marketing involves promoting products or brands through live or virtual events. These can include trade shows, conferences, webinars, and product launches. Events provide opportunities for direct interaction, networking, and hands-on experiences, making them a valuable part of the marketing mix. Guerrilla marketing uses unconventional tactics to surprise and engage audiences. It's about creativity, boldness, and making a big impact with limited resources. These campaigns often go viral, generating buzz and attention far beyond traditional advertising methods. Storytelling is a powerful marketing tool. By sharing stories that connect emotionally, brands can inspire, educate, and motivate their audiences. Stories make messages memorable and relatable, helping brands build deeper connections and stand out in a crowded market. Integrated marketing ensures that all marketing efforts work together seamlessly. This means coordinating messages, visuals, and strategies across different channels for a consistent brand experience. Integrated campaigns are more effective because they reinforce each other and create a unified impression. Marketing automation uses technology to streamline and automate repetitive tasks, such as email campaigns, social media posting, and lead nurture. Automation saves time, increases efficiency, and allows marketers to focus on strategy and creativity. It's a key tool for scaling marketing efforts and delivering personalized experiences. Modern marketing puts the customer at the center of every decision. This means listening to feedback, anticipating needs, and delivering exceptional experiences. A customer-centric approach builds loyalty, encourages advocacy, and drives long-term success for businesses. Marketing isn't without its challenges. Competition is fierce, consumer preferences change rapidly, and technology evolves constantly. Marketers must stay agile, keep learning, and adapt their strategies to stay relevant. Overcoming these challenges requires creativity, resilience, and a willingness to experiment. The future of marketing is exciting and full of possibilities. Advances in artificial intelligence, automation, and data analytics will continue to shape the industry. Marketers will need to embrace new technologies, focus on personalization, and prioritize ethical practices to succeed in the years ahead. To sum up, marketing is much more than advertising or selling. It's a strategic process that creates value for customers and businesses alike. By understanding and meeting customer needs, building strong brands, and adapting to change, marketing drives growth and success in any organization. Marketing matters because it connects businesses with their customers, fuels innovation, and shapes the way we experience products and services. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving field that offers endless opportunities for creativity and impact. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or consumer, understanding marketing is key to navigating today's world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of marketing. We've explored what marketing is, why it's important, and how it shapes businesses and society. Remember, marketing is about creating value, building relationships, and making a difference. Stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the power of marketing in your own life and work.